Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we're still me as the cameraman as well, but we're going to do an arrangement using a pin holder and some limited materials. And I've got this beautiful suiban, which is like a Japanese low dish, and we're going to use a pin holder. So this is a Japanese one actually, so you could call it a keizo. Or pin holders also. So this is essentially copper pins in a metal base. And the great thing with this one is it has like a rubber edge, so it's not going to scratch our dish. Material wise, I've got a little bit of willow, we've got these beautiful flag iris. And this is really what inspired me to do this, because straight away we've got beautiful arrangement just by using them. And I've also got a little bit of peony leaves, and some sweet williams. So we're going to see what we can do. But what I liked about this willow was the shape. So we're going to have that in our dish. But before we start, I'm going to put some water in our dish. So I've just arranged the pin holder to one side. You wouldn't really want to put it in the middle of the dish. That would look a little bit odd. And then we can see. So what we need to do is look at the branch that we've got and decide what we're going to do. And this has got a beautiful kind of curve. And what I was thinking was we go this kind of way. So with pin holder, be careful not to push your fingers onto it. But you want to bring your material down and then you can push it across. Now this has actually got quite a lot of material on it that we don't want. So like this is damaged here, so let's take that out. This is damaged. And yeah, this is all a little bit busy, so we can start to really just take out like this greenery here we don't need. Because we really want to get your eye to look at this line, is what we're wanting. There's an ugly end, so we take off that end. And even with these little tips, we can take them back a little bit if we want. Now you see when I'm cutting a little bit off there that it actually changes height, and that's because of the weight. But that's not a bad thing. So I think we're going to be brave. Take that out. So now we can put this one here, and this is going to mirror this one. So we're getting quite a dynamic. Now this is obviously, to me, sticking out too far. So we've really stripped this back, and even that can go a little bit ugly. Yeah, we'll see. We might lose them as well. So I'm just going to use our peony. I do love the peony leaves. They're quite beautiful. And with using a pin holder, the great thing about this having the water is that we get the reflection. So what we don't really want to do is have a lot of material hiding that water, or a lot of material going into the water and disrupting it. You want to be able to keep that quite clean. So now we can look at our lovely iris. Now we've got choices here. We could follow the line of our branch, or we could go in a different way. But I think this is really sympathetic. So obviously they're a straight stem, so we can't make it follow it exact. This is lovely because it's got two heads open at once. what I'm really doing is I'm looking as well for just the angle of the buds. So they still look upright, but they're going towards where that branch is as well. Now this will change every day actually, because the buds will come out and the big flowers will die, so it's really quite a kind of transitory sort of a design, but it's going to look good. This one out, got a little bit shorter. So once you put your material onto the pins, you can then move it into a direction. So what we're looking for is asymmetry. So if you think kind of triangular, that's a good way of working it and thinking about it. And I've really just got one or two lovely little Sweet Williams that I just want to put in lower down to bring us a bit of colour into the design. We can even angle these forward a little bit. So obviously it depends where you're going to put your arrangement. But we want to try and hide that pin holder as well. We don't necessarily, well, we don't want to see it at all actually. So bringing one of them through the back. If you're not sure where to put something, then hold it where you would like it to go, and then you can just make a decision. Now, another tip for losing your pin holder, you can actually add some stones. So what we can do is we can place some pebbles into there. Be careful they're not dirty, because you don't really want to have to move a dish like this with flat water. It becomes quite tricky. And we only really need to add enough to lose that pin holder. So, essentially, that is our arrangement. I'm just going to bring this so you can see it from the front. We've looked at our materials and we've seen that this has got a really nice line in it. So we're showing that off to advantage, and then we're bringing a splash of colour with our iris that really become our focal flower, and then as a secondary flower we've got our Sweet William adding to the colour. And these colours really work well with this dish. In fact, we can probably lose the board. So, pin holder is an excellent way of arranging with flowers. You can use minimal materials, you get a great effect. The flowers are essentially into water, which they prefer. And this is just a beautiful arrangement for having at home, or even maybe to a workplace. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, then click here to subscribe, and we'll see you soon.